Hey there guys, my name is Marcus Cryptolius, and in this video I'm going to review Bitvavo. In my opinion, Bitvavo is one of the best cryptocurrency exchange in Europe because of many reasons. The first one is that they got really low fees. When you would come here to information and you would click on the fees, I'm going to move my camera a little bit and you would scroll down below. You see it here, taker is 0.25, how you see it, 0.25, maker 0.15, and more than 100k, 0.20, 250k, 0.16. Taker fee is the fee when you're gonna buy it immediately. Maker fee, trades are not executed immediately against existing orders. You need to wait. Then you are maker. So as you can see, the fees are really low. Comparing to Coinbase, comparing to even Binance, they are much higher. On Coinbase, you got the retail version, which is for 1,000 euro, you will gonna pay like 38 euro in fee. Then Coinbase Pro version, in which when you're gonna pay 1,000 euro, you would pay 5 euro fee. So that's 0.50. Here in Bitvavo, it's still, let me show you, I'll just log in here. Look at this. You come here, you click on Bitcoin, 1,000 euro and 2.50 trading fee. How amazing is that? Also, another thing that I really like about Bitvavo is that they are directly from Europe. They are not some company from the Russia, or no offense to Russia, but you can actually find it out. When you click here on About Us, you can see located in the heart of Amsterdam. Also, their customer service is great, comparing to also Binance and Coinbase. Many times they had problems with support. I think it's possible only because they are really quite small. They're not that big as a Coinbase, of course, so they can answer everything. When you come here, you can go to also countries and see if it's available in your country. If it is, you can also use the link down below in the description. And if you're gonna use the link down below in the description, then you will get for the first week 1,000 euro completely free fees. So you're not going to pay the 250 fee if you're gonna use the link in the description. To go even further, what I wanted to show you are like how it feels to use it and how it feels to buy. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click Bitcoin and you just simply add how much Bitcoin you want to buy, and you can simply buy it, or you can sell it, or you can do the staking. So I need to enable staking first, then you can deposit and withdraw. You can deposit also with Snappa. Pretty simple. And then you go to top right to advanced. And in advanced, you can do the day trading, and you can see all the pairs here. You can go like, okay, I want to go with Ethereum, USDT, then you got Feather here, Tether. And that's like pretty simple, pretty easy. And that's pretty much it. I mean, using Bitvavo is really easy. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you and provide you some guidance. I really like Bitvavo, using it in Europe, and you should too. So 4 years ago, when I was starting out with the crypto, I was using Coinbase, but right now I'm just going to use it on Bitvavo. There is no talk about that for buying crypto. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.